Across 5,000 years, where did most humans actually live? Only the great river valleys could feed crowds back then. Egypt's Nile silt grew 3 crops a year, taxed grain by royal scribes. Sumer's priest kings in Iraq ran the first cities through barley rations, handing out grain to laborers who built ziggurats and dug canals. By 250 BC, Mauryan India taxed every village through paid spies. Kaudalia's manual prescribed the exact share a king could squeeze from a peasant. India crossed 50 million, the first polity in history to do so. China's Qin emperor unified 7 kingdoms using crossbow infantry. By the year 1000, Song China grew 2 rice harvests a year on terraced paddies, feeding 100 million through paper money and a civil service that picked officials by exam, not birth. By 1500, Mughal India centralized Bengal's peasants under a cashland tax. Ming China posted gunpowder cannons along the Great Wall. By 1900, Russia stretched from Warsaw to Vladivostok with 130 million subjects. Britain's coal cities doubled in 50 years. Meiji Japan industrialized faster than any nation in Asia. Half of every human ever born is alive after 1950. 8 billion now share the planet, 5,000 years of buildup, 60 of explosion.